So today's video is our day 2 in New York City. Kung maiinis kayo kasi puro English ako, tapos ang arte-arte ko mag-English, na yung kanina ko lang actually na pagtanto na ang arte-arte ko mag-English. Anyways, yeah, here it is. It's day 2, guys. Yep. And then a bunch of places today. We are in the line for breakfast and it is like 15 minutes long. There is a pre-breakfast room. This is almost Times Square. Almost Times Square. Yeah, I think it's over there. We are on our way to Grand Central Station and then maybe the Grand Central Library. And there's Linda and Jackie, and the buildings here are so tall. Alright everyone, this is the New York Public Library, the Grand Central one. Really nice from outside. There's also another one right there, but that's the newer one. Okay, let's go inside.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring.
So this is what New York sounds like. Just chaos. Okay, our next stop is a Grand Central Station, which is right there. And then after that, we're gonna go to the Rockefeller Center, which is this. So, yeah. Going to the terminal. Goes to the trains, I guess. That's so we don't forget where we are.
Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give.
We are going into the Amazon Go store. It's closed. Is it? Let's try the other side. Just kidding, because it's closed on weekends. We're stuck in the middle. And I don't know what this is, but this is the St. Patrick's Cathedral. This is the front of the cathedral. And smells like a church. This is across the street from St. Patrick's. I don't know what it is. Do you know what that is? I think this is the Rockefeller. I'm not sure. But yeah. This is Rockefeller Plaza. Right there where the poles are. You wanna do it? I want you to. And then I'll take a picture. I want you to go too. Yeah.
I think the bigger ones would have been safer.
Yeah. Jackie is so wet and Linda is so wet because I took a picture of them in there. So yeah, just know that if you go inside one of those circles, you're gonna get wet.
24th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and West.
We are now going to the Flatiron Building. So we took the bus because it would have taken us 30 minutes to get there if we walked.
Please
There's
exit
Jackie and Linda. The buses here have charging ports like everywhere in each seat, so you can always charge it with your phone if it died. It's convenient for travelers. This is Flatiron Building. There you go. And we are gonna go over there and take pictures of it. This is the surrounding area, also really nice. Okay, now we are going to Italy. Oh, we just ate, but we're looking for desserts. I don't know.
I thought that's cheap.
Oh,
I'm just hungry again, even though we ate like half an hour ago.
yeah, it was okay. The food there was okay. Maybe that's why.
Did you like yours? I finished my whole plate.
That's true. Cool. Also have a lot of pizza and really nice pizza. The pastries. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Here it is. I got a chocolate churro, Oreo, cookies and cream, malt, and the most special of all, a large Coke. And then Linda got these from Italy. They look really good. we're now heading to a reservation at Victor's. So hopefully we make it. Okay, we are now at the Victor's Cafe and unexpected, but also because we didn't expect it to be so nice. Yeah, it's nicer at the entrance. Also nicer than yeah. Also, we're not really that hungry, so we're just going to be ordering the to-share things. Okay, we are gonna go watch Wicked right now. We were supposed to go back to the hotel, but then we didn't have time anymore. So instead of being late and missing the play, we are just gonna go to the play. But we don't have, Jackie and I don't have our opera glasses, but that's okay. Because Linda has hers and we will borrow hers. Okay, we are now inside the theater. Wow. We're in our seats now. There's Jackie and Linda. Our seats aren't too bad. Show's over. Everyone is leaving. Over now. And it is, what time is it? 11? It's 11. So we're gonna try to find a convenient or 24-hour store. And yeah, we're gonna walk towards our hotel. So busy. This is New York and it's 11 p.m. Still so alive. And Nordstrom right here. All the garbage is out. Confusion. We're going to Times Square. Times Square.
Take